สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Gawinthida Bintong from School Lab. Is it possible if we humans can fly like a bird? It has been thousands and thousands of years where we humans tried to create such thing as wing to let us fly, but other results showed up as fell. Now before getting into the question if we can fly or not is that how can things fly? How can a bird fly? Eventually, there are many factors to this question. Firstly, our physical feature is different from the bird. We have an arm, but instead, the bird has a wing. And if you look deeply into this wing and have a cross-section of it, you find something called an airfoil. This airfoil is shaped like my eyebrow. An airfoil here has a greater length here than here. More velocity of the wind pass here than here. This creates more pressure here to lift the bird up. Once the bird is lifted up from the ground and it starts to move with its own force, you call that force a thrust. And that force thrust have to be with a force called a drag, which means the wind holds the bird back. Now imagine this. What if we have the wing like a bird? How big would that wing have to be? Approximately from calculation, it's about 6 to 7 meters long, or about badminton courts, which is really big. At that big size of the wing you can fly with, we still don't have that much energy, even though you got that six-pack from exercising. From this, it may seem like we're different from the bird, and that's why we can't fly. But we have things that we are like we have legs. Birds also have legs, but just in different purpose. Birds use the leg to catch something, to hold on something, but we use our leg to do things like walking, jumping, crawling, things that bird might not do. Another reason is that the bird mass is really light compared to our mass. At that mass, as light as that, is because of that bird has a hollow bone, but we have the skeleton, which is really big and heavy. From this, I can conclude that we cannot fly like a bird, but we can use science and technology to do things more impressive, like an airplane. In our old day, we can travel place to place within a month or a year, but nowadays, we can travel within just a day. Why? It's because of this adaptation from the bird, which is called an airplane, which you have an airplane here, a bird here, and have a cross-section both of it. You still find the function of an airfoil, which means the velocity past them. From this, you can say that an airplane cannot flap itself to go up high like a bird, but it can generate itself a velocity from going place to place. And the same as we, where we go to high mountain and glide from that airsuit, why don't we just don't go out the road? That is because we have a gravitational force that holds us down. From this, I can say everything around us is science. And this is what science are for. Thank you very much. ขอบคุณค่ะ